Experiencing slow charging with your Sony WF earbuds? You're not alone. Slow charging is a common issue reported by many users of Sony's WF series, including models like the WF-1000XM4, WF-1000XM5, WF-1000X6, and WF-C510. It's usually not a design flaw, but a result of several factors that we'll explore in this video. Knowing the causes is the first step towards fixing it. Let's pinpoint the common causes. First, physical contamination. Dust, lint, or residue on the charging pins or ports disrupts the electrical contact. Second, battery degradation. Like all lithium-ion batteries, the ones in your earbuds lose capacity over time. Expect a 20% reduction after 500 charge cycles. Finally, software issues. Outdated firmware can mismanage power, leading to uneven or slow charging. We'll show you how to tackle these issues. Cleaning is your first line of defense against slow charging in Sony WF earbuds. Dust and debris can block the charging ports and pins, interrupting the electrical connection. Let's walk through a safe, step-by-step cleaning process. Start by gathering your materials: a soft brush for gentle scrubbing, compressed air for blowing out loose debris, and an alcohol swab for the charging pins. These tools are safe and effective for removing buildup without damaging components. For the charging ports on the case, use your soft brush or compressed air to carefully remove any visible debris. Work gently around the ports to avoid pushing dust deeper inside. Next, for the charging pins on the earbuds themselves, gently swipe with an alcohol swab. This removes residue and corrosion. Be very careful not to use too much liquid, as excess moisture can cause damage. Finally, allow everything to dry completely for 15 to 30 minutes before charging. This prevents any moisture from interfering with the electrical connections and ensures safe, effective charging. Next, let's address potential software glitches. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your smartphone. Perform a factory reset of your earbuds through the app. Then, check for any available firmware updates. Installing the latest firmware often includes battery management improvements that can significantly improve charging speed. Sony released a major update in late 2025 for WF-1000XM5 and WF-1000XM6 models, addressing charging inefficiencies. Adopt smart charging habits to maximize efficiency. Charge your earbuds in a room temperature environment between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. Avoid extreme temperatures, as they can throttle charging speeds and reduce battery life. Once your earbuds are fully charged, remove them from the charging case to avoid overcharging, which can degrade the battery over time. Using fast charge compatible accessories is recommended for optimal charging performance. Check your charger carefully, as not all chargers are created equal when it comes to charging your Sony WF earbuds efficiently. The charger you use can make a significant difference in charging speed and reliability. Let's compare a recommended charger with a low-power one. A proper charger provides at least 5 volts and 1 amp of current, delivering the power needed for efficient charging. Low-power chargers, often under 2 volts and 0.5 amps, simply can't keep up. Watch how charging progresses with each type. The recommended charger reaches full charge much faster, while the low-power one struggles to make progress. To ensure optimal charging performance for your Sony WF earbuds, follow these key recommendations. Using the wrong charger can lead to frustratingly slow charging speeds and potential compatibility issues. Always verify your charger's specifications to get the best performance from your earbuds. If cleaning, software updates, and proper charging practices don't resolve the slow charging issue, battery degradation may be the underlying cause. Lithium-ion batteries naturally degrade over time, losing capacity after repeated charge cycles. This can cause slower charging speeds, typically becoming noticeable after 2 to 3 years of regular use. If battery degradation is suspected and your earbuds are still under warranty, contact Sony support for a possible replacement. Check your warranty status through the Sony app or website, then reach out to customer support with your proof of purchase and a description of the charging issue. It's also important to check if your earbud model is subject to any product recalls. In early 2026, Sony initiated a voluntary recall for WF-1000XM4 units, manufactured between 2021 and 2022 due to potential micro-contamination in the charging ports. Owners can get free replacements by visiting the Sony support website and entering their model and serial number.